Health experts have been begging Hoosiers to get vaccinated well before this current surge.
Everyone's also being encouraged to continue wearing face masks regardless of vaccination status. As CBS 4's Russ McQuaid reports, when it comes to the Omicron variant, the stronger the mask, the better.
When it comes to protection against COVID-19 and the Omicron variant, the K95 mask, that's about as good as you can get. Now the surgical mask, this is pretty good too. But when it comes to total protection, that cloth mask, that's just about as much decorative as it is functional.
During the early days of the pandemic, cloth masks were the most accessible facial barrier Hoosiers could find to protect against the unknown ravages of COVID-19.
I think we're still at the place where we know that cloth masks provide some protection, but not as much as surgical masks. And surgical masks provide quite a bit of good protection, but not as well as the N95 mask.
N95 is the gold standard of masks, which is why public health authorities make that recommendation now. And the KN95s from China are almost as good, even though they don't reach U.S. government standards.
They provide quite a bit of protection. In fact, several studies show that they provide more protection than surgical grade masks, but they aren't necessarily as effective as the N95s.
At Sun King Brewery, employees are masked. Customers are encouraged to do so too, and there's a handful on hand for those who leave their mask in the car.
We haven't had too many incidents where people are kind of like, hey, what are you doing here? You know, it's just it's a request, and if you don't feel that that is you, then, you know, you do you on that front.
Experts say once we get past COVID or find a way to manage it, many people may find it healthier to keep wearing their masks.
Our total number of flu cases went to almost zero last year. And I think those mitigation strategies have shown us that we have a way to try to control flu and colds.
Experts say central Indiana will likely struggle against the Omicron variant for about the next 6 weeks. Then the infections will drop off as the weather warms up in the springtime. At the same time, we got to remember there are other variants out there in the world just waiting to come ashore. In downtown Indianapolis, Russ McQuaid, CBS 4 News.